It feels very great. I've been associated with the Retail Jeweler India Awards for 3 years now, and I've seen it grow from year to year. It's a great platform for jewelers of India to showcase their things, to improve their things, and year after year we see better quality applicants coming in, and it's very interesting for me.
The Retail Jeweler India Awards, I'd just like to say thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you for making me feel very happy today to be surrounded by such beautiful jewelry, and I hope I can come back another time very soon.
I would say that they really have their pulse on what's happening. They really know what the consumer wants, what the viewer wants, and it's fantastic that they've taken the initiative to put all this together, to collaborate it, because a lot of jewelers are doing a lot of very good work out there.
I'm sure the best designer is going to win.
I think they've been very innovative this year. I think people are like they're breaking the conventional barriers and going a little out there with their designs. There are a lot of statement pieces, which I think has become the trend of this season.
It feels amazing to be here, especially among such beautiful women, and we have such lovely jewelry displayed out here. So it feels amazing to be here.
Fantastic. I mean, if you look here, you see rubies on this side, emeralds on that side. I believe this is our 5th association. Everybody says to me, Ian, you are so passionate about this sector. You're so passionate about gems and jewelry. The only people I could say who not only match that, who supersede that, is the retail jeweler. They just have such an honest love and an honest care for this sector that is wonderful. I'm so pleased to be working with them.
I love this because I personally love jewelry. I've grown up in a family where we have bought jewelry from auction houses, from from different sources. So it's really a pleasure to be here.
First of all, thank you to the Retail Jeweler India Awards for letting me be associated with this wonderful event year after year. And all the best. Keep innovating, keep pushing the retailers in India to go one step further.
It's our first year, and I think we made the right decision to work together with retailer jewelers, and I'm really excited about the event, and I really enjoy it.
It's feeling amazing, stunning, and very shiny, very bright.
There is this beautiful bracelet which I like by Farah Ali Khan. I think it's really nice and classy. So there's some really beautiful artifacts. It's like beautifully cut.
It's a real honor and privilege to be associated with the Retail Jeweler Awards. Association with this award goes back a long time, and personally I have seen this award grow from strength to strength. Today this is an institution, and for Evara this has been an extremely important platform. We started this association last year and we have continued it this year because I think this celebrates success, it celebrates excellence.
Well, it's been a wonderful association. It's a pioneering effort that they're doing for the industry and for all aspects of the industry, the designers, the retailers, the manufacturers, the brand builders, and it's a platform to bring everyone together in the pursuit of excellence.
When you create with your heart and soul, because jewelry is a very personalized piece. When a woman wears it, that's her character that comes out, and that is what she wants to portray, that this is me, just look at me, I look beautiful, artistic, this is me. So every piece when a jewelry designer is creating has to create with that aesthetic sense of looking beautiful on a woman's body.
Oh, it's an award of the fraternity. We feel elevated to the 7th heaven that, it's like the Filmfare of the Jewelry Award.
Thank you for the award firstly, and it's a great initiative which they are taking to recognize all the best jewelry in the industry, and it's very important that is done. That encourages us retailers to work even harder day in, day out.
So I'm really glad that I'm a part of Retail Jeweler Awards. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank also Retail Jeweler Awards for a new introduction of, I would say, the much needed category. Thank you. Well, I'm super excited to win this Oscars, and I have been on Red Carpet Oscars designing jewelry for a last couple of years, and this is an Indian Oscars. Cheers to this. Thank you.
Retail Jeweler India is the Oscars for the jewelry industry. They are the best. There's nothing to be said to them. Keep up and raise the bar every year.